Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm going to use every yellow that I have at my disposal, including this yellow, which is a vivid intense, and sprinkle everything on yellows and greens for background for trees. And have it be kind of thin. And I'm going to try and have them be as random as possible, and I'm going to continue to do this until I have enough paint on my canvas. Then I'm going to swipe through with my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula. Let it dry. I'd rather they were all dribbles, like spots, but I can't have that because the bottles aren't conducive. So I'll give you one more color, which is Fandango, and then the rest will be whatever you can scrounge up because Colourarte doesn't provide a lot of things anymore. Mica powders. You might want to check them out anyway. So as you can see, my painting is back there and dry, and I want to put transferred tree shaped objects on, and I'm going to use DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold, DecoArt metallic pearl white, if I can. That's a big if right now. And I think I better go across in stripes. If I go up and down, I'll be sorry, but at least I have a base color. I've got Aztec bronze. And I'll probably come back to a few things. Perfect indigo. Colors don't have to make any sense, which is good because they really don't. DecoArt silver, iridescent silver. Maybe a third line. I'm not so sure about these colors. This is, I think it's a Van Dyke brown. Let's see if I can turn it. Yeah, it is. It's a Colourarte color. Now I know these colors are strange. I have a marooned, which I think might liven things up a little bit. I want to use some black. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but I want to. I have a acai berry. Kind of want some green in there, but I'm not sure why. I've got Midnight Shadow. I might put some more gold right over the top after I put a little bit of black in. This is Mead and Black. I might put white in too. I haven't done exactly this laid out these colors before, like this. This is more white. And since my gold is almost gone, I'm happy to put that in there. Now, I'm going to put that down beside me, and I've got a choice of a bunch of tools. I wanted this to look like the lights, the sunlight lit leaves behind the forest. Anyway, so I've got refuse from something I peeled off the top of a package. I've got a playing card that's acetate. All these things, including my silicone brushes, are a good option. I'm going to try and get as close as I can, and I'm going to pick up some paint and just start. Now on the packaging, I trimmed off the corners so that nothing would get in the way, and I wasn't sure how this would work exactly, so I may be changing tools, or I may not. Can never tell. But I am going to do a lot of it, and I'm going to fast forward. So I've been working on this a while. You just watched me fast forward through a bunch of it, and I changed my tools and I used a different brush. But as I got rid of the stripes, as the paint mixed in the pan, it added a different element that I really like. And you can see as I go to the top, I'm going to try for skinny lines to create the illusion of branches, which might be better with a playing card, but I'll find that out after I'm done doing this. So I'm going to continue on a while longer. I really like how the brush works to put the shapes in the foreground that look like grassy. No, they're grassy. They don't look like they're definitely grassy. And as I fill in, I appreciate the colors I picked because the purple and the green complement each other nicely, I think. And I can just keep filling in with skinnier trees that makes it look like there's depth. It goes back into the forest. Matter of fact, I think it really needs to happen. And your brain will make up the difference anyway. Your brain will go, trees! I kind of wish I put a setting sun back there. If I had, it would be cool. Maybe for another time. And now I'm going to keep fast forwarding until I decide to do something else. That's gonna work for now. I may add some leaves after the camera shuts off. I might actually connect a few things, but I don't think anything really needs to happen because I like the effect that I've got, and it's pretty close to what I was hoping for. Well enough so I'm happy. Just keep adding short strokes at the top to make it look like the branches are spreading out into the canopy. You could take as long as you want to do this. It's not a quick process, but it is a pretty effective process. So for now, I'm done. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.